20% front match with a 50% full windshield. Is that the perfect tint combination? I got the Chevy Silverado in. We're gonna do a 50% full windshield on it. We're gonna do 20% front match. I think just smoking it out like that will make this truck look really good. It's not too extreme, it's not too dark. You'll be able to see anywhere they need to go. And I like doing videos on these trucks because I think in the upcoming so many years, these trucks are gonna be the really popular trucks that a lot of people will be picking up. You know how it is when younger kids and they want trucks and their dads get new ones and they pass them on to them. So I think this is gonna be that truck. And I like tinting these because, to be honest with you, these trucks are straightforward tint install. There's nothing crazy about them. They look good. You don't have to freaking take a lot of things apart. You don't have to take door panels apart. These trucks are straightforward trucks, so I like doing these trucks too. So, like I said before, 50% full windshield, 20% fronts. I'm gonna get started doing that. You guys hang out with me and I'll be back in a minute.
Wave. My inner soul make a village glow. You can see the real through my inner scope. Real grows with a field coat. Get my spirit to the pin stroke. Young Westbrook and the rim is low. Sweet tang when I fall through. When I hit the queen with the give and go. I've been getting close, I've been feeling go. I've been in a mode where my pupils dilated. Take the beat and then annihilate it till the siren faded. A violation, I've been going places. There's no escaping how I ride my wave and chasing Percy Mills with no limitation. Carve a smile with they straight faces. Therapeutic, self-medicated, I've been doing fine for a low life. Seeing clear through the low lights. Straight gas for the stove light. Chasing green, all I know is to go. They semi-pro when it shows right. Third finger to my old life. I can't lose. Count up the blue. Spin nothing, reboot. Put on for the crew. It's a cool. Don't got no roof, so I can shoot for the star beam, yeah.
Heart race, pounding.
So I can shoot for the star beam. So I can shoot. So I can shoot for the star beam, yeah.
Flash, heart race, pounding. Get back.
So I can shoot for the star beam. So I can shoot.
Way up where the sound is.
So I can shoot for the star beam. I just hit the Brody, what you want? I just caught myself a little map to remind me where I'm from and where I'm going and where I'm at. Only trust it out my tulips. I talk that truth. I'm out here trying to smell the roses while I'm still here. I'm at the crib, getting toasted. I'm off the dosage. My mind is glowing, set the blow up from how I mold it. Never forfeit, must be clutch. How the way I close it. Taking more than I can fold. Flip it. Watch it close here. You might pick up on a pro tip. I got the torch. Let they want my business to reside right by where they knows it. Give my image some distortion. Yeah. I come from where the floor is top diamond bows. I used to live off of the moor, so now I get portions. Since 18 been on my loans and my life been coreless. But then I learned the carpe diem. Now that's looking gorgeous. 2020 with the vision sharp and decent job to come from where the void is. Wanna cop the crib with the cash bag, the last laugh for no mortgage. My mind spinning out of orbit, but right now I feel it so right. Flip a third finger to my old life. I can't lose. Count up the blue. Spin nothing, reboot. Put on for the crew. It's a cool. Don't got no roof, so I can shoot for the star beam, yeah.
Heart race, pounding.
So I can shoot for the star beam. So I can shoot.
Way up where the sound is.
So I can shoot for the star beam, yeah.
Flash, heart race, pounding. Get back.
So I can shoot for the star beam. So I can shoot.
Way up where the sound is.
So I can shoot for the star beam. I'ma go all the way up. They keep on calling my phone. They catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud, but I'ma go all the way up. Bad girl from the soil. She taking me out of this world. Wave. Nice guy with a cold shoulder. Yeah, we cool, but I don't know you. Roll a flower and I'm off the potion. Give me superpowers that I won't stop. To the bank roll on supermassive. Big bank for the space chatter. Way up in a squad NASA. Copperfield with the dark magic. Subtle flex when I run a race. Tell these rap buddies eat my dust. Lil baddie after cellular. Talking life and how we set it up. I'm a sharpshooter, yeah, Will Smith. Call me Prince Park, let me freshen up. Bay boy on a level up. Way up near the nebulas. I'm never copping a chain, cause I see it all through the frames. And I leave it all on the page, it's feeling like they want me locked in a cage. They want us all in their fade, but I'ma go all the way A with it, cause I don't feel all the way safe here. Yeah, spray the champagne, shower up in the air. Stunner goggles, I don't mess with the flute. Untamed and she wild off the goose. Ghost ride, yeah, I come through the roof. Ducking 12, get it all on my tail. Hella wild and I break all the rules. Chill, chill, bro, you way out of line. Yeah, I know it's a mood. I'ma go all the way up. They keep on calling my phone. They catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud, but I'ma go all the way up. Bad girl from the soil, she taking me out of this world, so I'ma go all the way up. Got the squinting, got the gator spinning, I'm outrageous with it, going crazy with it. Got the phrase jumping off the page, gifted, got the waves swishing, got the neighbors tripping, got the trap booming, jumping out the speakers. Drip on me, jumping off the easel. Gold wristed, couldn't tell me nothing. No, bought a fisted. Cooking the bars, turn a lab into a living kitchen. Watch them grimace when I water whip it. Subtle flexing, live a candid image. Come from pushing in the S-type with no license, gas load, the windows tinted. Still couldn't see me with the zoom on your little vision. Nah, we are not the same, we got different lenses. No one snapping like we something real vivid, keep it realistic. Quick to split it with my day ones. Got the label making bank runs, cause a train of thought like a freight, huh? I'm the type to get a late start. You the type to be afraid, huh? I'm the type to never have things. You the type to have it made, huh? Yeah, wave. And I keep fuel to the flame, huh? How they got me going this hard, really I'm the type to never say much. Vice grip, got the game clutch. Every song make the stage rush. I always said making money might change things, but never let it make us. I'ma go all the way up. They keep on calling my phone. They catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud, but I'ma go all the way up. Bad girl from the soil, she taking me out of this world. I'ma go
all the way up. They keep on calling my phone. They catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud. I'ma go all the way up. They keep on calling my phone. They catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud. I'ma go all the way up. Y'all hit up with a dream, hold it down for my team. I'm afraid of how I'm feeling. I get high in the ceiling. How I'm feeling, high in the ceiling. I've been living like I'm past rules. In this rap tattoo, living like I'm finished.
Wait, louder. Bitch, I'ma go all the way up. Wait.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win it, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a f what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting with the old well, need 100 million on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right?
Now, in my opinion, 50% front windshield is a nice shade. You can still see out of it at night. It helps block that sun out. With this weather right now being so bright, it'll help take that glare off your eyes, give you a little bit more comfort from that blinding sun because it is really bright out right now. So 20% front match, 50% full windshield. I think it looks nice. It's a nice smoked out, clean look. It shouldn't give you too many problems. You know, I'm not gonna say that this is, you know, legal, we ain't talking about that, but like I said before, I think it looks really clean, really nice. Anyone can drive this car. Driving at night, you can still see with the 50% full windshield, it's not too dark. So me personally, this is one of my favorite installs. So, and like I said before, I think these trucks are very popular. You're gonna see these trucks rolling for years to come. That's why I like to do videos on them. If you wanna see a full windshield tinting playlist I have on my YouTube channel, click right there. And I also got a few minutes of Fade to Black series. Check out those right there, man. I appreciate you guys for watching, man. Thank you once again. Look out for the live streams every Wednesday night, and I'll be back with another video when I get time. Until then, stay faded. Peace.